What's up guys, Johnny Blaze here with Noise Boys Garage. I've got the 94 to 96 Impala SS dash bezel here ready to cut it up. What I haven't shown is how to cut this dash bezel up and what I recommend using to cut it, and and basically show you where you need to cut at for this kit to fit. What we're doing is we're dropping in. This is an iPad Mini 4 kit, so the iPad Mini 4th generation, AC controls on the bottom and the iPad up on top with a single DIN, and then this middle part right here is where the SS Impala logo goes. So basically this kit goes like this with the iPad up on top. So if you look on the back side of this kit here, you can see that this over here, this slip is very, very small, and on this side you have a larger lip. So on this side you have a little bit more room for error as you cut. On this side, less error, but there is a lip nonetheless, so you will not ever see any of your cut marks. It's got a you're not going to be able to see it, but it's got a very small 45 going here, which basically right inside this little area here, it basically rounds over, and when this dumps in here, it actually sits nice and flush with this top area here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it up and see what she looks like once it's all done. So now again, if we start looking at this kit and we come back over here, see, so I know that I just want to come in just like about probably 1/8 of an inch from the inside. So basically like this line right here, there's a hard line there. That line, I think I could cut up to that line and I'd probably be pretty good. If I need to grind it out, I can after that. Something like this, you want to make sure that you take your time on it. Now here's the thing, this is a cutoff wheel here, and so what this is doing is this is basically like kind of dremeling it out in a way, a little heavier duty of a Dremel. If you do not want to use a jigsaw, you do not want to use like a reciprocating saw, like an air saw, none of that stuff do you want to use on this, because what's going to happen is this dash bezel is very, very, very fragile, and especially like up in this area here, you start using that reciprocating saw and it catches, and it'll just pull the it'll pull the dash, break the dash, and then you're fixing the dash. So take your time with it. Use a Dremel, use a cutoff wheel, use something like that that'll help you get a nice clean line, and we don't have to worry about damaging the dash or breaking it. That's what we want to do, is we want to go ahead and get it cut out. This piece here is built in such a way that this shape, that this line, this line, this line, and this line, none of them are squared up, but they are perfect to this dash bezel here. And so you're going to get a really custom fit. I have another dash bezel that every time one of these dash pieces gets sent out, it's pre-tested with the factory OEM dash bezel that's already been cut out. So I know that it's going to fit for you once you get it. And again, all you have to do is just cut this out here, and then and basically it'll also come with a little filler piece here that you can actually put your SS logo piece back in there. So Johnny Blaze here, Noise Boys Garage. Subscribe, I got a lot more videos coming up. This is the 94 to 96 Impala SS dash bezel. This one in particular is a side slider kit for the iPad Mini 4.